Hello friends, good evening and welcome to my channel. I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. And if you appreciate my effort, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And as you all, those who are new to the channel, you should put your bell icons on as I upload my daily targets on a daily basis for Dow Jones and Nasdaq and other indices as well. So stay tuned with the updates, put on the notifications on and don't forget to subscribe. Right now Tech 100 is trading at around 13700. Let's start with the analysis. Tech 100 is right now trading at around 13700, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, I can find that, see, it is widely in a uh, I can say downward trending channel. It is created on a 4-hour chart with lower highs and higher lows, lower lows and lower highs. So it is indicating that we might see a drop, and anything below 640 only we could be expecting a bigger drop. However, it might get some support from 640, and on the upside, this is on a 4-hour chart, and let's have a look at the 2-hour. This is on a 1-hour chart, and let's have a look at the 2-hour chart as well. So a similar thing is getting reflected on a 2-hour chart. However, let me show you something on a 2-hour chart. So see, here on the downside, it is getting some support from the 2-hour chart. You can see that on a long term it is on a narrowly rising channel. However, since last few candles it is forming a downward trending channel, so I will be watchful. Once it breaks this level at around 13680, then my target will be somewhere at around 13660 level. In fact, 13660 also might provide a good resistance, else 13640. And if this 13640 is taken, you can go short, and definitely we can expect a bigger drop. Now this is a 2-hour chart and daily 1-hour chart. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. In fact, interestingly, on a 4-hour chart, uh, it is not reflecting that we are heading for a drop or a rise. However, I can find that some breakout is expected, either upside or downside. On an hourly chart, it is reflected that we might see a drop. On a 4-hour chart, we have seen a great red candle previously. Now the candle is green with a tail and a wick, and it is getting some support at around 13680. So on the upside, it is getting resistance at around 13720 as well. 13730, I think that is the point where it is getting some resistance. On the daily charts, it is reflective that the previous candle was green, and this candle is trying to form a body which is not yet available. So it is trying to form, and definitely, as I said, till 13660 you can remain long, and we might see a rise. And how far it could go, let's try to have a look how far this could go. So see, on a daily chart, if you look at on the daily charts, if you have a look, then we are getting some resistance at around 13760 levels, and on the downside we have a strong or bigger position or bigger level available for a drop. Still it might be in a, still it can continue in the upward trending channel. So till 13420 levels, it will still remain in a bullish channel if it drops today. So on the upside, we are getting some good resistance at around 13780 levels possibly. So looking at this, let's have a look at the indicators now. So on a daily chart, 13600 is a strong support from major moving average lines. Looking at this MACD line, the MACD lines has just crossed over since last 2 days, and it is showing some greener candle. So expecting that it might show a greener candle today. The RSI is comfortable. The stochastic is bullish, and it is entered into a overbought position. So I will be watchful of the day, that because the red line is soon catching up here, and any crossover here or any drop today will make this black line uh, slope downwards, and then we can look forward to a drop. So appears that it's a dicey day, and I will limit my trading prediction for the day. Let me give you the levels. So I expect again 13,640 to 13,780 levels, in which Nasdaq can trade, Nasdaq Tech 100 can trade, and especially till 13,660 you can remain long. Above 13,660 we will always look forward to a rise towards 13,780 levels, and if it breaks 13,640 levels, then you can take a target of 13,600. And in fact, if 13,600 is taken, then sky is the limit, and we can head towards 13,535, and 13 below levels are also possible. So I am still giving you a range where it could possibly trade is 13,640 to 13,780. However, if it breaks 13,640 levels, we can look forward to 13,600 and 13,535 levels as the target. On the upside, if it takes away 13,780, then sky is the limit. Again, it will be heading towards 13,900 levels possibly today. So this is for Tech 100, and let's have a look at Dow Jones. What does the Dow Jones charts are indicating? So on an hourly chart we can find that let me show you. See this hourly candle fairly getting narrowed here, and it is now waiting for a breakout on the upside or downside. Possibly either ways it could happen, but yes, 34,500, as I told yesterday also, 34,500 is providing a good resistance on the upside, which is a strong number, a strong number or resistance, for which if Dow Jones it crosses it, then definitely we can expect a bigger rise. On the downside, 34,450 is also providing a good support. So any trade between these levels is not recommended. That is what I am looking forward to. Now, looking at a 4-hour chart, on a 4-hour chart, we can see that here it is formed a higher highs, here it is forming a higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, and lower highs, and lower highs and higher lows. That is what it is reflecting. And if it breaks anything beyond this 450 and 34,500, that is what I will be looking forward to, that if it breaks these levels. On the daily charts, it is indicative that similarly the candle is trying to be green, trying to be bullish. However, let's have a look. See, it can continue in the bullish channel. Even if it drops today, it can continue to be in the bullish channel. That in fact, if it drops till 34,300 today, it will continue to remain in the bullish channel for the week, and that is why let's see if it breaks 34,500. Breaking 34,500 will give us a target of around 34,600, 580 levels, and beyond that we will head towards 34,700 levels. So I will be watchful here. If it breaks 34,500, then mostly 34,580 and 34,700 is going to be the levels I will be watchful of. On the downside, 34, if it breaks 34,450, then the target is big for the maybe we could see a little drop, and with the first resistance at around 34,420, and then 34,300 directly it will lend to. So let's have a look at the indicators. So we are getting some good support here at around 34,300 levels from the pivot level as well, and 34,380 as well. And see, MACD lines were about to cross over, and it has to show the Dow Jones has to show a greener candle for them to cross, else it will bounce back and remain in a red zone and a sell zone right now. So if you look at RSI, it's comfortable. I will not talk about this. This stochastic is fast catching up, and the slope of this black line is again tapering down. So possibly I'll be watchful of the day. It will try to end in a doji, maybe again close the day at around 34,460 levels itself. So let me write down the levels for you. So today I will expect Dow to trade in 34,380 to 34,580 levels. Possibly it could trade in this zone and might end the day at around 34,460 itself. That is what I am expecting. More of on the downside, and if it breaks 34,380, we will look or head towards 34 300 levels. Here if it breaks 34,380, my target is 34,300, and on the upside, once it crosses 34,500, be watchful. Don't trade between this level at around let me write it down for you. 34,500, 450 to 34,500, don't trade. So this is a no trade zone. Please don't trade for these 50 points. Once 34,450 is taken, I will be targeting 34,380, and possibly we could hit 34,300 also. Once 34,500 is taken, we are heading towards 34,580. Possibly we will see these levels today itself, and till you can take your positions accordingly and have a safe and profitable trading day, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.